Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Hira Noreen, your computer science teacher. Today is our third lecture of week 1 from the unit 1 programming techniques. Before we start our today's lecture, we recap our previous lecture in which we discuss how to analyze the problem and how we will gather the information to find the solution of the problem, and we are also discuss different questions or points for solving the or analyzing the problem. And now we start our today's lecture, and our topic is analyze the problem number 2. In our last lecture we discussed the problem number 1, and now we discuss the problem number 2, and our problem is finding the average marks of our students. When I read this problem, I understand I find the average marks of the students, and the information is required to analyze the problem is what are the subject marks of the students in each subject, like student obtain marks in each subject, and then how many subjects are there. After finding this, we need to apply the formula to find the average marks. Like as you all know, to find the average, we first sum all the number and then divide by the total number to find the average marks. Next topic is planning the solution of the problem. Basically, planning the solution of the problem is a creative stage of problem solving, as it divides the solution into different steps and arranging them into the proper order that will solve the problem. Like first we analyze the problem, then we plan the solution of the problem, and in a planning stage we first divide the problem into solution into different steps and arrange them into the proper order, like which step is solved first, then next and so on. Here we plan the solution of the problem number 1. As we know, we analyzed the problem number 1 in our previous lecture. Here we plan the solution of the problem number 1, and there are following points to plan the solution of problem number 1. Our first point is how to discuss the problem. First, talk to the right person. Like the person you speak must have the ability to resolve the issue. Like talk to the store manager or business owner or supervisor, not talk to the employee of a company. He is not able to solve your issue or problem. Then focus on talking about the problem with the product rather than talking issues with the person. Like if you have personal issue with the person, not relate it into the product or discuss it. Just focus on your product problem and discuss them. The next is explain the problem in detail and provide any evidence. If you have problem with the product or unhappy with the product, then explain the problem in details and provide any evidence if you have, because the owner of the company know your problem in details. The next is tell them what the outcomes you want. If you are unhappy with the product, then tell them what type of outcomes you want to satisfy yourself. Next is expect questions. A store or service provider may ask from you. Like if you complaining a product, then a service or store or service provider may ask some question from you, like why you are unhappy and what outcome you want. You must be ready to answer all these type of questions. Ask to speak someone else. If you are not happy with the way of conversation, if you are not happy with the way of conversation with the person, then ask them to speak someone else to file your complaint. Listen to their response and ask for time to consider it if you need to. Like what is their response, must listen and ask the time to consider your complaint, etc. After discussing the problem, you must consider the response. Like does the response resolve your issues, or do you want to take the time and effort to carry on if the response is unsatisfactory? If you are still not satisfied with their response, then you want to take their time and effort, etc. Here is our today's lecture, in which we discuss the planning the solution of the problem. And assignment of your today's lecture is plan the solution of problem number 2 from the book, page number 11. So students, if you have any question or query, you can ask from me. Allah Hafiz.